I'm turning $100,000 into $1 million. But I want to do it in a different way. Yo, my name is Brett Go, and 5 years ago, I was extremely broke working as a waiter, earning about $7 per hour. That's when I first discovered day trading. And then I went on to work a 9-to-5 job for a big real estate company in order to pay my bills for 6 months. And during these 6 months, I disappeared from the world so that I could study trading while working my 9-to-5 job. I hated my 9-to-5 job, so eventually I quit to pursue trading full-time, but that did not work out well because I lost thousands of dollars and blew up multiple accounts in my first 2 years of trading. I then enlisted in the army and I never gave up on trading until I finally found consistency. Fast forward to today, I'm a 22-year-old multi-millionaire who is truly free, built the best trading education company that changed thousands of my students' lives, and most importantly, I've retired my father, which is my why when I started trading in the first place. Well, the crazy part is I'm only getting started. This is something that no one in the trading industry has done before, and that is to show you the reality of professional trading, the reality of trading with a 6-figures account. I'm gonna show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I know the trading industry is full of scams and bullshit, so I just want to set the pace out by showing you guys that this is a live account with a licensed and regulated broker, IG. So let me just refresh this page, and then you can see that right now, this is, let's just go back to 30 days. You can see this is when I first deposited about $1,000 just to test out this account, take a few testing trades, and then I deposited another 99k, making this a $100,000 account. Next thing you know, I'm already down 2%, right? Like I said, off to a bad start, but like I said, it is what it is. And this is to really show you guys that I'm not freaking fooling you guys. I have no purpose in lying to you guys. It doesn't benefit me in any way. And some idiot is gonna be out there commenting, oh, this is fake, this is edited, this is not real. I've literally just refreshed the entire website, bro. So keep on making excuses on why you are poor and why you are sleeping in your mom's basement while I will continue winning. Now, I just want to set your expectation right and tell you guys that I'm not a trading guru who's gonna turn 100k into 500k in 1 month. No, I'm interested in playing the long game and outlasting my competition. Whether that's gonna take me 5 years or even 10 years to do this, I just want to document this entire journey up on YouTube for you guys to see. Just like how I pretty much documented my entire trading journey from the start, from having $100 in my bank account to making my first 10k per month to making over 6 figures from trading and making like $10,000 a day now, right? I just want to show you guys everything. So without further ado, here's my plan. So first of all, you can see my goal is obviously to turn 100k to $1 million. But if you realize, I didn't put a specific time that I want to achieve it by. A lot of beginner traders, they come into trading and then they set a goal. Okay, I'm gonna make 10k per month by the end of 6 months. And then what happens when you actually come to the end of those 6 months and you don't make 10k per month? You start losing faith, hope, and confidence in your trading ability. And then you think that trading is a scam and you quit. You quit trading before you even start seeing some sort of significant results. And this is why you lose. This is why you keep on making excuses. So, I'm not gonna do that, right? I'm just going to be very patient in the pursuit of my goals. I know that, okay, eventually, I will turn this 100k into $1 million. Like I said, it might take me 5 years, it might take me 10 years, I don't care. I'm here. I'm here to play the long game. Alright, so that is the goal. Next, these are the rules. I just want to quickly explain the rules. And if you realize, it's very unconventional. Because the thing about my trading approach is that I don't trade like what 90% of retail traders are doing, right? Because 90% of retail traders lose. If you are doing what the majority is doing, obviously you're going to get the same results as the majority. And what does majority do? They try to look for a 80% win rate trading strategy. I've really studied professional hedge fund managers and institutional, god damn it, that's freaking hard to pronounce, institutional traders, right? So what they do is that they have a low win rate, but then they have a high R, right? Which means when they make money, they make a lot of money. When they win a trade, they win a lot of money. When they lose a trade, they lose a little bit of money. And like I said, they don't have the best win rate. They don't have an 80% or 90% win rate. They have a 30% to 40% win rate. So that is what I'm aiming for, right? Just a 30% to 40% win rate. Obviously, I'm going to try to win every single trade if possible, but I'm willing, or rather I've came to conclusion that, okay, losses are okay. They are inevitable. They are part of the game. So I will definitely suffer losses. It's just that I'm not going to be caring about the win rate way too much. Obviously, I will still try to improve it, but it's not too much of my focus. As you guys know, we were off to a rocky start where we lost about $2,000 in the first 2 trades that we take. No biggie, right? Losses are inevitable in this game. We stake it, we eat it, and then we move on. And then next week, the following week, what happened was that we actually caught out the entire trade on Instagram from the entry till the exit. So we just got like a sniper entry right here, right? We got a liquidity sweep at an extreme zone at this last protected lower high right here, 4 hour strong high. Enter for the shot right there. And you can see we're taking it down right now, boys. Right? Now, as much as I want price to go in my way and go to my take profit straight away, that did not happen. Price started pulling back and it went into the drawdown, and watch how I react. Alright, for full transparency, guys, right there, that's how our trade is going right now. You can see we got a little bit of liquidity sweep above this high. We kind of knew that was coming. So right now we are in a little bit of drawdown right now, but I know that this is just a liquidity sweep. Once again, my stop loss is still right here above this high right there. You can see right there. Yeah, this is the price point that will invalidate this setup. That will tell us that price is no longer bearish. So I'll just leave my stop loss right there, set and forget. And then for this, yeah, we'll see how it goes. When you understand liquidity, you stop becoming the liquidity man. Look at us go right there. Right after the liquidity sweep, price just dropped up about 1.2k on the 100k account right now. And the funny thing is, I literally caught this trade up on Instagram. Go and check my Instagram highlight right now, man. You will see that I was really documenting the entire thing, right? From the start till this, almost hitting the stop loss, but then trust your analysis, set and forget, baby. And right now we are printing. We are printing, guys. Shut your broke ass mouth up. Now, this is what happens when you truly understand liquidity. Instead of getting out because you're scared, you trust your analysis and you let your trade play out, and as a result, the market reward you for it. Now, that was not the last time this happened. A few hours later, this same exact scenario happened again. Right, another close call right there. Our stop loss is just right there. You can see. Once again, it's still right there above the swing high. No change whatsoever. It's just that price stepped into this previous demand range, and we expect demand to actually step into the market and cause price to push up, which it did, right? Which it did. But bear in mind, this demand is most likely just short-term demand in order for price to go up there and sweep the available liquidity that we have above this swing high right here. Once that is done, then the real move happens. Think about how I'm handling my emotions at this point of time. Am I panicking because price is going into my stop loss right now and it's going very near to my stop loss? Or do I think like the minority, the top 1%? Instead of getting out of because of fear, I actually scaled in for another sell position because I knew that that was just another liquidity sweep. So right now the time now is about 10:44 p.m. It's been a few hours since we entered for the first trade. I just scaled in for another sell right here. You can see price is almost hitting my stop loss, but I trust my analysis. And yeah, I saw that price is coming into this flip zone that swept liquidity, and this trade lines up with my plan, so I have to take it without hesitation, without reservation or fear. Right, so as a result, I entered for a sell right here. Even though I was so close, price was so close to my stop loss, but I just continued to trust my plan and just entered for another sell right here, putting on another 0.5% risk on this trade. In this case, we have a much more conservative TP right there. And if you're wondering why the hell is my monitor yellow, it's so that I can block the blue light. I'm trying to go to sleep, man. It's freaking 10:44 p.m. I have to wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow to grind, have a meeting with the team. And now I'm still freaking micromanaging this shit, right? I just can't wait to get out of this trade, honestly, so I can fucking go to sleep. Now, I don't want you to be impressed by how I analyze the charts. Of course, that part is good. But I want you to be impressed by my ability to stay calm under pressure. my ability to think rationally and logically and stick to my plan. Look at how I'm able to fully accept and embrace the risk. I know for a fact that, okay, I might lose the trade, but so what? I'm just essentially risking a small amount of money to find out what's going to happen next in the market. That's all trading is. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I suck it up and I move on. But obviously, I'm hardly wrong, so price end up going in my way.
Okay guys, look at what's going on right now. Price is almost hitting my stop loss once again. But once again, trusting the analysis, right? Price came into this demand range. Obviously, price is going to have some sort of demand. Demand is going to step into the market and push price up. But what we want to see is a failed reaction, right? We want to see price do this and then go down. When we do get a failed reaction, when price is unable to break past this last swing high right here, this means that supply is officially in control of the market. So this trade that I just scaled into is potentially going to work out really, really well, right? So the failed reaction is key, right? Once we get a failed reaction, that tells us that officially demand has flipped to supply, right? And right now supply is in control of price and we're gonna freaking go down. We're gonna go down to there. Right now, the real moves start happening. What did I say just now? It needs that failed reaction, right? You can see there's a failed reaction right here. This tells us that demand has officially flipped to supply. And that got confirmed when price broke through the last fractal low, giving us a fractal market shift, which means right now price is about to drop massively. And once again, this is where I'm targeting right here at this little demand right here. This will be a very quick trade right here. I believe this is like just 1:3.
First trade right here, second trade right there. Both in profit right now. Both went close to my stop loss. You can see price retraced a little bit into my stop loss. But I trust my analysis. I manage my emotions. I perform under pressure. And that is why I win. Alright guys, so right now it's already 11:46 p.m. I'm already up about $2,000 right there. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Fuck this shit. I'm just extremely tired right now. Tomorrow I got a meeting at 6 a.m. and I have to wake up early. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. Wow, good job, Brad. So at this point, I made about $2,000 and it's 12 a.m. I'm very tired after a long work day and I need to wake up early the next day. Guess what? I actually lost the trade. Now this is an extremely stupid mistake that I made. You can see in the screen recording, I placed my take profit right there, right? At like a specific price point, which I knew that demand is gonna step into the market and push price up. But on my MetaTrader 4, I did not place my take profit. I forgot to place my take profit because I was too excited or something. And as a result, the next day when I wake up, price hit my stop loss. I was taken by surprise because I was up 2k last night and right now you're telling me that I lost this trade. Now, at this point of time, I have two options. Either blame the broker, blame smart money, blame the market for not going in the way that I want, or take full responsibility for my trading mistake, and accepted the fact that this is a stupid mistake and I can learn from it so that I do not commit this mistake ever again. And if you know me, obviously I chose option 2. So I went on to actually journal about the trade, see what went wrong, what went right. Now after journaling, I thought to myself about whether to share this with you guys because I was up $2,000 and right now I'm just down about 1%, right? So I'm just thinking like, oh fuck man, what is my audience gonna think about me? Are they gonna think that I'm a lousy trader because I did not place my take profit? No. I decided to be just transparent and honest with you guys and just show you guys that I make mistakes. I'm a human as well, right? Just because I've been trading for 5 years doesn't mean that I'm perfect. By no means, shape or form am I perfect. Maybe I'm just like one step above you. But thankfully, we actually managed to make it back in the next day. So the next day after I re-evaluated the entire situation, I realized that, okay, it was just another liquidity sweep. So I entered for another sell position. And price went into a drawdown again, like for the third time round. Third time round. Guys, look at this. Price is literally about to hit my stop loss. Right here, you can see. We placed our stop loss right above this flip the sweep zone. Price is about to hit the stop loss right now. Okay, not really, but it's going there. My hand is literally shaking, bro. Oh my god. Listen, man. Relax. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Right, this is really where so many retail traders, they're exiting their positions, they're scared and all that stuff, but you need to trust your plan. You've placed your stop loss at a correct place. Now you just gotta trust it, and let's see where I get wiped out.
Now, this is what happens when you trust your analysis. Remember just now I told you that price is about to hit the stop loss? Look at me, place the stop loss at the right place, above the flip plus sweep zone. Price started collapsing, and right now we are up about 2K right there. And I'm pretty sure I'm thinking of calling it a day soon. Yeah, once price get there, we're gonna call it quits. Alright, we're gonna take profit soon.
Quick update, guys. So right now we are up about 2.2k right here. Once again, this is the same exact account, right? And yeah, price is just trembling into the profits right now. I'm potentially taking profits very, very soon because there is a lot of demand at this area. You can see there's lots of demand right here, and I don't really want to hold the trade past the pullback. You know, price starts doing like this significant pullback. I'm pretty sure price is gonna do like significant pullback very, very soon, right? Since we are transiting into the London session soon as well, and yeah, I don't want that to happen. All right, guys. So right now we are about to close the trade, made about $2,000. I believe we can call it a day, but it's because price has entered into this demand zone, and I'm expecting price to start pulling back right now. And I just don't want to be part of the pullback, all right? So I'm just gonna secure the bag and get the hell out of here by pressing this one right here. Just click on it. Boom. Okay, so I did actually close the trade, made about $2,000, right? So I learned from my mistake, and here's my analysis, right? Price stepped into this little demand zone, and I knew for a fact that price is gonna start going up because there's a lot of demand at this entire area right here, right? So the moment price step into that, and then I start seeing the price action start slowing down a little bit, you know, the selling pressure start fading away. I knew that I need to get out soon, and I get out right here. You can see where I draw this line right there, this dotted line. That is exactly where I get out, and right after I get out, price went up. It literally exploded up, man. Yeah, so yeah, that was a nice little entry and exit. Now, guess what I did after making $2,000? I did what any trading guru would do. I went to a Rolex shop. Now, okay, bear in mind, hear me out. I'm not a trading guru, like I promised. Now, the reason why I went to a Rolex shop was because on that particular day, there was no opportunity whatsoever. And I wanted to buy something for my team member who have been working so hard, and he has been so loyal to me. So I bought a little Rolex for him, and just to show you guys, this is a gorgeous little piece right here. I felt like he deserved it for all the work that he has done for the team. Right there. Yeah, man, video doesn't really does this watch justice. Yeah, but this is a little present that I'm gonna hand it over to him when I see him in real life. Guys, I promise I'm not a trading guru, alright? This is just like a one-time purchase to actually reward the people around me who have been working hard for me. Oh, and by the way, I did not withdraw the $2,000 in order to buy the Rolex. No. That was from my own pocket, alright? Yeah, anyways, the following day, I got a little bit complacent, right? Because you know what happens after you won a large amount of money and you have been right for like the past 3 trades, right? You caught out liquidity sweep literally 3 times in a row. So far, we took 3 trades on AU, and all our entries are pretty damn good. We entered right here after the first liquidity sweep, and then we know price is sweeping this liquidity again. We entered again here. Third time we entered was somewhere right around here after the final liquidity sweep, killing the final boss, and then we entered for sell right there, and we take it all the way down. This is what happens when you can really understand liquidity rather than being on the wrong side of it. You feel like you are a god, right? So the next day, I actually entered for another setup, but I kind of deviated from my plan.
Okay, I see you, liquidity. I see you. You know, step into the market a little bit. You see, there we go. Right after we enter for the trade, guys. You know why? Because the New York session is about to start, right? The New York babies are about to come in and bring me my cash. Thank you, Wall Street.
Yo, here's a quick update. We actually got out like right around here. Made about $100, so you can kind of count this trade as like a break even, because I knew that this shit was gonna happen, bro. Price was entering into this demand zone. I realized that I entered the trade too late, right? And some intuition within me, right, which you develop over time, just tells me to get the hell out of there, because like I don't know, I just feel that price is about to go up because the price action is so slow. Like if you look at this shit, right, I was observing price on a 1 minute time frame. It was freaking slow, bro. It was like this. Then I was like, looks like price is not going down, man. So I just decided to go out, and yeah, lucky I got out, and right now price is trickling and heading back up. But once again, I do believe that, okay, price turned bearish, right? But it's potentially just for price to pull back here. I just don't want to be like getting like a shitty entry. So I just got out with like $100. I'll take it, honestly, I'll take it, man. It's better than the loss, man. Yeah, but obviously, I just want to get a better entry, I guess. Yeah. We'll start to reevaluate and really try to look for a better entry. If we cannot find a better entry, I'm good, man. This week is Friday. I don't really want to enter for a trade on Friday, especially when the market is about to close for the weekend, right? I don't want to hold a trade over the weekend stuff. So yeah, if no opportunity, we'll just call it a week. Yeah, that did not work out as planned, right? End up break even, make about $100, right? But anyways, yeah, that was just a case where, you know, I felt like I kind of knew what the market is gonna do, right? But my entry was wrong. I did not enter at the right price point, and in order for me to actually win this trade, the risk to reward ratio is just completely messed up, right? So I decided to get out and reevaluate the entire situation before looking for another position. So that pretty much wrap up 5 active trading days. Overall, we are still down about 1.5k, but I believe that's quite easy to recover next week or the next few weeks, right? I'm very confident that we are gonna end off this month or at least this quarter positive, right? There is no doubt whatsoever, because that's the way that I'm wired. And I know that this is probably not what you guys want to see on the first episode. You guys expect that, oh, I've already made $10,000 in the first 1 week or so. And that's what I honestly expected as well. But the market is the market. It can do whatever it wants. I've shown you guys the profits. Now it's time to be really honest with you and show you guys the losses as well, right? Because this is really the reality of trading. That is why we call this entire series Raw Trading, just to purely show you guys the truth. If I have to just end off with one tip about trading psychology, that would be to develop a very special relationship with wins and losses. You must be wondering, Brad, you have lost about like 4-5 trades in a row. How the hell do you still have the confidence to execute the next trade without any hesitation, reservation, or fear? And end up making $2,000 on that trade? It's all because I trust my plan. Once again, I've backtested my plan 1,000 times, 100 times. I've been trading my trading strategy for so long right now, right? I have skin in the game. I have confidence in my edge, and that only comes with time and experience. And I just trust the fact that, okay, my edge will play out in the long term, right? I might encounter a losing streak right now, but eventually I will recover, and every loss just brings me much closer to a win. Because that's all trading is. It's a numbers game. If this video reaches 10,000 likes, I will release the part 2. And part 2 is fucking exciting, bro. And as always, remember, you are just one trade away. Like, honestly, to be honest with you, I just want to inspire you guys. Because I feel like back when I started, I need someone that is like me. Someone who is able to be transparent, someone who's able to practice what he preaches and walks the talk, right? A mentor to look up to, right? And I just hope that I can be that guy for you, right? Genuinely, I just hope that all these videos help you guys out. Because honestly, the pain that go into making these videos, you guys don't even understand, right? Like, I spent the past 2 years in the military, in the army, and when I come out of the army on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, the markets are closed, so I can't really trade, right? So I just spend those weekends just making videos for you guys for free. And once again, I don't even have to. I've made enough money. I don't need YouTube videos, YouTube views in order to make money for a living. No, that's not how I make money. I make money through this, as you can see right here. Right, this is sufficient. I don't need any more money. I just do this because I believe there is a higher purpose. I believe that whatever I'm doing right now will have a great impact on someone's life out there. It could potentially change one person's life out there. And if it changes one person's life, that's all that matters. Yeah, like, once you make enough money, it's no longer about yourself. It's about having a greater sense of self. And my greater sense of self, my greater purpose is to really help you guys. Because trading changed my life. And I want to help you change yours as well. That is why I'm making these videos. It's not because I need freaking ad revenue from YouTube. In fact, all the YouTube money, I actually pay my team members. my editors, my thumbnail designers, they are the ones that is getting the YouTube money. I don't even take any YouTube money. Okay, so are we finally about to hit TP so that I can go to sleep, please? You can see right now we're up 1.4k, bro. Gotta stay awake. Gotta put food on the table, you know?